My beautiful people, Palestine is suffering relentless violence from Israeli bombardments. So let us unite together and pray for recognition of our shared humanity. O Allah, the most merciful and compassionate, we turn to you with heavy hearts, praying for the people of Palestine. There are enduring immense suffering and injustice. We ask you, O Allah, to ease their pain and grant them strength and resilience. O Allah the Almighty, bring an end to the oppression and injustice in Palestine. Grant the people of Palestine the strength to endure and the hope to see a brighter future. Shower them with your mercy, protect them from harm, and grant them the peace and security they deserve. O Allah, inspire the world to work towards a just and lasting solution for the people of Palestine, where they can live in peace and prosperity. Guide the leaders of nations and organizations to take steps that will bring about a peaceful resolution. O Allah, unite the hearts of the Muslim Ummah and the world in support of the people of Palestine. Give us the strength to stand in solidarity with them and work towards a brighter future for all. Amin.